Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID for Azure apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID for Azure apps, start by accessing the Azure portal. Log into your Azure account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. In the left-hand menu, select App Registrations. Click on the New Registration button at the top of the page. Enter a name for your application in the name field. Choose the supported account types based on your application's requirements. For a web app, select Web and enter the redirect URI in the Redirect URI field. Click on the Register button to create your application. After registration, you will be taken to the application overview page. Take note of the application client ID as you will need it later. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the New Client Secret button to create a new secret. Add a description and set an expiration period for the client secret. Click Add to generate the secret, and be sure to copy the value immediately. Now, head over to the API Permissions tab. Click on Add a permission to specify required API access. Choose the Microsoft APIs or other APIs your application will utilize. Select the permissions you need and click Add Permissions. After adding permissions, click on the Grant Admin Consent button if necessary. Now it's time to configure your application for authentication. For a web application, integrate the Microsoft Authentication Library or use OpenID Connect. In your application code, set up the authentication parameters using the client ID and client secret. Test the authentication flow by launching your application. If configured correctly, you should see the Microsoft login screen. After successfully logging in, the user will be redirected back to your specified URI. At this point, you can access the token and any user information as needed. Ensure you handle tokens securely and refresh them as required. Monitor your application's usage and permissions in the Azure portal for compliance. Continue iterating on your implementation as needed to enhance security and user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.